First of all, you are given a parallelogram and the name of the parallelogram is ABCD. Okay, we write it as ABC. Okay, ABCD. Look at this one. Sorry, A, B, C, and the D. These are the vertices of the parallelogram. Show that, okay, P and Q are any 2 points lying on the sides. Okay, first of all, P and the Q lying on the sides CD and AD, and the word is respectively. That means P with DC respectively, you know that one. The first one is with P with DC and Q with AD. This is what the meaning of respectively. You have to write respective sides with the respective points. Sorry, this is the case. If it is, then you have to show area of triangle APB. That, look at this one here. APB means what you are doing here. You are joining this APB. This is what the triangle you have. Show that area of this triangle APB is equal to sorry, area of triangle BQC. Okay, now that means here I have to join BQ and the C. Yes, this is what the triangle, another triangle we have. When you look at this diagram, immediately you find lots of confusion. You won't understand the diagram. See here, I'll show you once again how to draw the diagram systematically. First of all, you are given a parallelogram and name of the parallelogram is ABCD. Very simple. This way, ABCD is the parallelogram and you have sides, okay, CD and AD. You are discussing these two sides. On those sides, there are 2 points. CD, with respect to CD, you have P, and with respect to AD, you have Q as the points. I'm not feeling well, that's why I'm making little mistakes in the pronunciation. So look at this one. In this case, show that triangle APB means this way, and BQC means this one. You have to show area of these two triangles are equal. See here. Yes, this is the case. So for that one, this problem is very simple. I'll draw and show you once again differently with this way. Now, yes, in geometry, more and more diagram makes you perfect. A, B, C, D. Discuss the diagram. That is the logic. Then solution is very easy writing. And this way. Okay. First one, ABP, this triangle. If you look at this one, then you have the same thing here. Parallelogram. Once again, ABCD. And you have the triangle BQC. This way, if you analyze, then it becomes easy for you to solve the problems. It may go slowly, but you will understand once you get the logic. Then further, it is very easy to understand. So when you look at the previous diagram which I have drawn is complicated. When you go with this one, even it is. When you further divide, then it becomes very easy. See children, when you look at this one, these two triangles areas you have to show equal. When you look at this triangle and the parallelogram, as we have shown in the previous problem also, and we know that area of this triangle is half the area of this parallelogram. Why? Because a triangle and a parallelogram, if they are standing on the same base and between the same parallels, in that case, area of triangle is always half the area of parallelogram. The same way, if we go, that means area of this triangle is half area of this parallelogram. In the sense here, if it is area of parallelogram is 100, then it is 50. Okay. In the same way, when you come to this one, you have a parallelogram, same parallelogram, whose area we are taken as 100. It may, okay, generally I am explaining by taking the value just for understanding. 100. Then this is the triangle which is standing on this base and between the same parallels. Means here the triangle and the parallelogram ABCD. This is also the parallelogram. The same parallelogram ABCD and this triangle BQC are standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Because of that one, area of this triangle is half the area of this parallelogram. That means already we have taken as 100, suppose if it is. In that case, area becomes what? Half of that one triangle. So it is also 50. So when you compare area of this triangle and this triangle, they are equal. Oh, this is what analyzing, understanding, dividing the diagram with respect to the given question. Now at the same time children, it is very important to write in a correct way with given reason and properties what you are applying using for solving the problem in geometry. So here you will get very less formulas in geometry, and see, geometry is the easiest part of mathematics. So if you know the logic, those who are good, if you want to say, if you are saying that your logic is good, that means your geometry is very, very good. Now look at this one. I am going to solve the same thing here in geometrical language, how to write it this one. See here once again, for solution writing, I am drawing this way, A, B, C, D. As you know, this is P and this is Q. Very simple. Sorry, APB is one of the triangle. Now you will understand, you will not get worried about, or you will not get afraid of the diagram once if you understand. So this is P. Sorry. Now how to write this one? Okay, now how to write the solution that I am telling you. First of all, we'll write the given things. What you are given, A, B, C, D. Yes, what is it? Simple, is a parallelogram, or you can say given parallelogram. Then P and Q are, just write the same thing in words, are the points on sides. This is P, of course, sides. What is that one? CD and A, this is D, AD respectively. You are going to write this word. Yes, respectively. Now this is what the thing you are given. What you have to prove here, or to show, to prove or to show, that you are writing here. Just for our convenience, we are writing all these things. To prove is that what you are going to write here, area of this triangle, as I showed you once again, APB, that is APB, this triangle. Area of triangle APB is equal to area of this another triangle. What is that one? Yes, this one. That is triangle BQC. This is what you have to show. How to show that one? That you are writing as proof. For theorem, of course, we write, or the solution you can write. So even if you, for a problem, if you write these statements or the parallelogram, triangle, what is that? An ABP and parallelogram, sorry, this is symbol of parallelogram, ABCD are standing, my handwriting is not good, standing on the same base AB and between the same, yes, parallels you are writing. Which are the parallels? AB and CD. AB and CD. Therefore, what you are going to write here? Area of triangle ABP. This is ABP or APB or ABP, all the same. ABP is half the area of parallelogram ABCD. We call it 1. Next, what we will do, I will move to the second one. That is, I am now discussing about this triangle. Okay, what you are going to write here? This triangle BQC triangle. This is first part of the proof. Second part of that one, triangle BQC and parallelogram ABCD. Yes, which base are standing on the same base. What is that base? BC. Yes, here you can say here BC and between the same parallels. Which are the parallels? BC and AD, is it? Mention the names of the sides and the parallels BC and AD. Therefore, what you write here? Area of triangle BQC is half the area of parallelogram ABCD. This is our second point. Yes, we show now that this triangle, yes, this triangle is half the area of this parallelogram, and this another triangle is also half the area of this parallelogram. That means here from these two things, that is RHS of both the expressions are equal, therefore these becomes what? Equal. Very simple. As you know, this one, this is equal to half of the whole thing and this is also equal to half of the same thing, then automatically you are going to get these two equal to each other. So you are going to write simple one word from 1 and 2. You are going to write here area of triangle ABP is equal to area of triangle BQC. See here children, if you understand the problem, the logic and the diagram, geometry is very easy. So when you look at the sum and it looks like something other language only, like Japanese, Chinese and Urdu, something like other than our usual language. So it is very easy. So writing is not much difficult, only understanding the sum and the logic. Once if you get, automatically you will go on writing, and when you complete it and you will only surprise that array what it is, how easy it was, something like that. And so geometry, you learn the logic. And one more thing I want to say, subscribe the channel so that I have explained lots of logics of the sums. Okay, so you can get the logics and solution you can do by yourself.